Good day to my prospective employer. I'm Jelly Bernardis, 26 years of age, presently residing at Balasan, Iloilo, Philippines. I finished my study at Western Institute of Technology at 4 years, and I also trained a 6-month caregiver training at Lifeline International School. I work as I worked in Singapore for 2 years, 2006 to 2008. I work there as I do housekeeping and take good care of the children. At the same time, accompany the employer's family when they go around.
How many person you're serving?
4.
So mom, sir, and the 2 children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How old are the children when you serve?
Timothy, 2 years. Timothy is 12 years old, and the girl is 8 years old.
Okay, so the eldest is a girl,
Yes, ma'am.
and the youngest is boy. Okay.
Boy.
So you have a good working relationship with the employer.
What, ma'am?
Do you have a good working relationship with your employer?
Yes, I
And
do.
even with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why only 2 years? Why you did not extend for another?
Because I go home Philippines to take a board exam as a teacher, but I cannot reach the field application form.
So supposed to be you want to
Yes.
take. So what is the next board exam? Teacher's board exam.
Maybe next this April, but I
So no need to wait.
don't need to wait.
So you prefer to go to Hong Kong this time. Okay. So what is your priority in working in Singapore? I mean your main duty there.
My main duty there is to take good care of the children and do household in the house.
So all the work, and of course you need to take care of the children. You need also to send and fetch them from school.
Yes, sometimes
But sometimes who brought them to school?
my akong go to school.
Okay. Akong, why Akong also
Because
stay
akong
in
house is
study here?
only in the house.
I see. So both moms are working.
Yes, ma'am, my employer both working in the same company also.
Oh, so you mean to say during daytime you're the only one left in the house with the children?
Yes, but the akong always go there.
Okay. Because we're having here, no, neighbors
Yes,
only.
yes.
Okay. And do you have day off in Singapore?
I don't have day off.
Okay. You also teach or tutor the children?
Yes, ma'am. I do sometimes. My mom asks me, Jelly, assist them. You teach them how to do this and do that.
You also accompany them in their special school, or they have what's this? Other school activities?
But sometimes, ma'am, if my mom are not available, I do them.
So you have to accompany
Yes,
also the
ma'am.
children wherever they go. You need also to accompany them. Okay. How about the dishes? What are the foods or the dishes you are preparing for them?
The akong always do the cooking, but I always see akong. I always supervise akong so that akong always tell me, you see me how to do the cooking. But sometimes akong is not around. Akong always told me to do this, do this. I know also.
So even Akong is not around, you also did the cooking by
Yes,
yourself
ma'am.
alone. Okay, so you can prepare meals alone. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
also plan the menu like that.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. So you went back home when? Go home what year?
July 17.
Only last
Yes.
July. So you're here for nearly 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing for the past 6 months?
For the past 6 months, I went a little bit stressed, but at the same time, I help my parents in the house. Like I do a little bit business, like selling the ice candy or that I can have money.
I see. Okay, but now you are prepared and ready anytime the employee needs you.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Good luck.
Thank you.